to another video. It's a lovely morning. It's Sunday at 7:18, and today we are doing part 2 of our breakfast rally, you guys get it. So we're going to be meeting up at the same spot, and honestly it kind of worked last time, so it's a good spot to meet up at. And then I think we're going to be taking a different route today, so we're a lot more prepared this time as opposed to the last time, which I'm happy about that, because it should make this event a lot more smoother than the last time. So just gonna meet up and see what type of turnout we have. I know that there are a couple people that messaged me after the last event that wanted to join this one, and even messaged me after the last event that was at the last event that wanted to do it again. So that's cool that we're gonna have, you know, that type of turnout already. So I'm excited to see what route that Takimo has for us, and I guess we'll see what cars show up there when we get there. Thank you guys for coming out. Appreciate it. Let's think. So just a couple things to go over before we go on a little drive. First and foremost, just be safe. We're here to have fun, but we're also here to make sure we all get our cars home in one piece. I think last time we had a casualty. Did somebody ruined their bumper, I think? Oh, yeah. Who else? I think your brakes were scorched. Was it you? It was you. No. It was you.
My brakes. It was that guy.
No, he was cutting lawns. You went off-road.
Yeah, he went off-road.
Yeah. So let's be safe. Let's have fun, but let's be safe. Blind corners for sure. I think there was a couple people that was taking blind corners at like excessive speeds, and like that's not really smart. You know what I mean? You never know. Oh my gosh, and there was like cyclists too, right? The last time we were out? Yeah, so I mean, you're gonna take a blind corner at 70, 80 miles an hour, and you're gonna go hit 4 people off of their bicycle and put them in the hot, like that's not smart. Oh, pace for sure. Last time there was a couple people that were going too fast and they were leaving people behind. I think the last event that we had, it was like a 40 car turnout. So mind you, you know, we all can't be right on each other the whole time. Stop signs, red lights that we might, you know, encounter and such. So just try to make sure you keep eyes on the people behind you, and you also keep up with the people in front of you. Pace is definitely a good thing. Communication. How many of you guys have walkies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so we're straight. Okay, good. So with that being said, let's make sure that we're relaying messages through our little chain that we're gonna have. So whoever's in front, you know, there's a big pothole, say, hey, pothole on the left or whatever. Hey, making a left at the stop sign, and then just relay that message through, just so that way the people in the back can kind of know a little bit as to what's going on in front. And then whoever's in the back, let everybody in the front know when you made whatever turn we just relayed through. That way at least we can kind of see where the pace is at without, you know, physically seeing it. That's basically it. Other than that, have fun. But do you know anything else that you want to say?
That's it. You did a good job.
Yeah, I'm saying right now, I said it last time, I'll say it again. If y'all get left, don't look for me. I'm not going to find y'all. We have the walkies, that's it. If y'all get left, I don't know what to tell you. You all have your house address. Punch that right in there and get gas and have a great day. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So I think once these guys finish filling up, does anybody need gas before we leave? Are we all prepared? Yeah. Thank God. All right, cool. Well, I mean, we'll probably take off in the next 5 minutes, let your cars warm up, all that BS, and then we'll leave. Are we doing different run groups? I don't think we need to. I think there's enough to...
It's a smaller group this time, so...
Yeah, okay.
We should be fine.
Okay.
We got a walkie, small group. We got a good pace this time.
Yeah, we should be straight.
Are we doing 2 routes again this time?
Or? Depends.
I can only do the first route. I'm moving, so I gotta have fun with y'all, and then I gotta go home and start packing all my so that's how my day is gonna be. But yeah, so whenever we get to that last breakfast spot, it's a breakfast spot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so whenever we get to the spot, we'll probably eat, chill for a little bit, and then part 2 of the drive, if you guys want to go ahead and do that, you guys can do that, and I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, so we take off in 5. Whew. All right, so hopefully you guys saw a little bit of the GoPro footage, and I know that Zai was getting some clips of in-car footage. I had a head camp that I wanted to put on, but as soon as I went to turn it on, all of a sudden it said that the battery was dead. So sorry I couldn't get that footage for you guys. But we made it to Mikey's Family Diner. I've never been here before. I never knew this place existed, so you guys are gonna get my in-depth full breakfast review, because you guys know I am definitely a breakfast person. But we have a nice little lineup. It was a lot less cars that showed up this time, which I'm actually thankful for in a way, because it kind of kept the unit smaller and nobody really got lost, nobody really got left behind, and now it gives me a chance to get to know all the newcomers on a more personal level. So I'm definitely thankful for that. This is basically the final stop for me, just because I have a lot of packing and moving that I need to do. So with that being said, let's go grab something to eat and talk with the guys. So I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but we just dropped, well actually we didn't drop yet. So for all you guys watching on YouTube, you guys know what's to come. I'm testing out my new branded shirt, Jamalfa. I'll probably end up making an Instagram post about it. My IG will be right here. And hopefully you guys like the shirt. Let me know what you guys think, comment down below. So Mikey's Family Diner, my little review, I'd say like a 7-8 out of 10. The service was pretty cool. I ended up getting just something simple, 2 eggs, bacon, sausage, some toast, some grits. So it wasn't too bad, Definitely recommend if you guys are in the area. This is basically just a little bit of an outro. I had a good time. We kind of knew what to expect, but it ended up being better than expected, which was really good. Darling, what do you think? Let me take the camera.
Breakfast was okay. Feel like it's what we make at home. But it was good. It was still something new to try. And the drive was better this time. I feel like with less people, we were able to move along quicker. But hopefully more people show up next time. All right, back to you. Okay.
All right, Kimo, what do you think? What do you think about the turnout?
Great turnout. Everybody's happy. You know, fun ride. Yeah.
Do me a favor real quick. Can you get that car right there?
Yo.
So this guy was so mad at me that I didn't get his car.
Alpine white, nicest car.
Yes.
So that's your 540. What you got done to it?
Downpipe, tune, and suspension.
58 owner right there.
What's
H&R suspension.
Big ass turbo underneath.
Okay. Would you recommend buying that car?
Oh, it's amazing.
As opposed to 340?
It's cool on time. You know what I mean? It's fast. A little bit over 400 horsepower. You know, it's a pretty decent car.
Yeah, good shit. Well, now you guys see, it's definitely a sleeper in my opinion, and he definitely held up with us the last time he was here. Did you get here late? No, you were here with us the whole time. I was just in the front.
Yeah, I was in the back this time.
Yeah. Let's see what else we got. This Camry was here with us too, and then of course we got the two 335 ISs. So yeah, no, it was definitely a good event. Definitely much smaller than the last time, which, like I said before, I'm happy with that. Comment down below if you guys like this style of video. Comment down below if you guys want to go on the next rally. I think we're trying to do these about once a month, so it's definitely fun. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.